So here's a pair of AKG, they're this model, the K240 DF. It also works with the regular K240, it's the same type of thing. But if you notice, there's these two little pieces of elastic that are supposed to hold the headphones on your head. And when that's worn out, it won't have any tension to keep this on. So what we're going to do is replace these. You can get these from AKG. Put them on yourself if you have a little bit of time to kill. So anyway, we'll start with this side. First thing we have to do is take off this. We get a little screwdriver and you pry underneath it very carefully and very easily. And it should come right up. There we go. Comes right off very easily. Put that aside. Then there's a little screw here. We have to take this off. A little rusted. We'll have to clean that up later. And take the cap off. And then we'll unscrew this. I'll need a bigger screwdriver. Okay, it falls right out. And here we have this little thing right here. As you can see, it's completely stretched out. And it's attached over here. So we'll get another screwdriver. Take this one out. And the piece is actually in between here, so we can take this piece out. And there it is. And as you can see, it's really completely lost its elasticity. And here we have the new ones from AKG. And as you can see, they're in a lot better condition. And we're just going to replace it the same way we took it off. Okay, so that's reattached. Doesn't look like I got it on very straight, so I'll just redo it. Okay, looks like it's lined up okay. Put the screw back in. And put this right around the little screw. Okay, it seems to be nice and tight. Put this cap back on. Make sure our little holes line up. Okay, one side done. Now we're going to work on the other side.